Dear students, welcome to your English language online lessons. Today we are going to start a new lesson. So dear students, take your students book, page 82-83. Take your students book, page 82-83. Good. So, before we start, the lesson will contain the following. Before we start, the lesson will contain the following. So, we have vocabulary, food preparation. So, the main topic of our lesson today is food preparation. Good. So let's go directly to page 82. Okay. We have, the main topic, which is let's cook. Let's cook. Okay. We have the vocabulary about food preparation. Food preparation. So look at the pictures, please, carefully. Okay, now listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. So let's start with bake. Bake. Okay, look at the action. Okay, this is the action of baking. Okay, bake. Beat. Beat. Okay, when you take a whisk and you start, beating eggs, beating something. Okay, we have chop. Chop. Okay, chopping here the pepper, chopping the onion, chopping the garlic, chopping the cucumbers, etc. So this is the action of chop. Then we have stir. Okay, stir. Okay, we have drain. Drain. Added. Added. Peel. Okay, peel. Slice. Slice. Grease. Grease. Pour. Pour. Mix. Mix. Grate. Grate. Okay, so this is the actions we are using when we are preparing food. Okay, when we are in the kitchen and preparing food. Good, so I will repeat the actions very quickly. Okay, we have bake, beat, chop, stir, drain, added, peel, slice, grease, pour, mix, and grate. And now let's move to exercise 2. So look at the restaurant kitchen. What is each person doing? Look at the restaurant kitchen. What is each person doing? So before we say each person what is doing, let's try to read the pictures. So we have Susan, character Susan, and we have she is holding vegetable what? Peeler. Vegetable peeler. Okay. Then we have Lays. Okay, she is a grater. Okay, she is holding the grater. Okay, then we have Mary. She's a knife. Okay, she's holding a knife. Kate, she's holding a spoon. Len, roasting tin. Okay, holding a roasting tin. George, okay, look at George. Okay, he's holding a colander. Okay, or he is pouring the spaghetti, I guess, or a pasta in colander. Then we have Anne. She's holding a whisk. And Tony, he's having a bowl. Okay, so after we have a look on the kitchen tools, okay, let's move to the answer the question, what is each person doing? So please try to pause the video and answer the questions. And they give you two sentences. Tony is breaking eggs into a bowl, and Anne is beating eggs with a whisk. So Tony is breaking eggs, and Anna is beating eggs. Good. So as I said, please pause the video and just write like these sentences with Susan, Liz, Mary, Kate, George, and Len. Good. Now, let me give you the answer key. So, Susan is peeling a carrot with a vegetable peeler. Okay, look at Susan. She is peeling a carrot with a vegetable peeler. Okay, Liz. Look at Liz. What she is doing? She is grating cheese with a grater. She is grating cheese with a grater. Okay, so the action is clear. You just like look at the picture and you know what is grating. Mary is chopping an onion with a knife. Look at Mary. She is holding a knife and chopping the onion. Okay. Kate is, look at Kate. What she is doing. Okay. She is stirring a sauce. She is stirring sauce with a spoon. Okay, she is stirring sauce with a spoon. Okay, Len is what? Look at Len, what he is doing. Yes, he is greasing a roasting tin. He is greasing a roasting tin. And the last one is George is pouring pasta into colander, draining pasta in a colander. Okay, you can see in two things, either colander or pouring or draining. The both are correct. So dear students, make sure you check your answers. If you have anything not correct or not clear, please correct it. And let's move to page 83. Let's move to page 83. So before we start reading, okay, look at the picture. We have Mexican omelette. Okay, Mexican omelette. So we have here like a competition. Okay, we have here like a competition. Okay, look, we have like a judges. Okay, they are waiting for the Mexican omelette. So we have here a prepare time, which is a preparation time 10 minutes, and we have cook time 5 minutes. Okay, now let's go back to reading. So we have read the recipe and fill in the gaps with verbs from exercise 1. Okay, read the recipe and fill in the gaps with verbs from exercise 1. So this is the recipe. Okay, this is the recipe, and we have here ingredients. Okay, we have the ingredients and we have the recipe. So before I read the recipe preparation. Okay, let me read the recipe. Okay, which contains the ingredients: 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons cream, pinch of salt, pinch of garlic powder, 200-gram cheddar cheese, 100-gram tomatoes, chopped. Okay, 1 tablespoon oil. So this is the recipe or the ingredients. Okay, and now let's try to use the verbs from exercise 1 in this preparation. So we have something you have to do: to the eggs into the bowl, 2 cream, salt and garlic powder. Okay, what is the verb here? 3 them with the ingredients. Heat oil in a frying pan and turn heat to lowest setting. 4 mixture in the frying pan. Cook mixture until golden brown. Okay, then flip omelette over and cook until other side golden brown. Put omelette on a plate. Put cheese and chopped tomatoes on a half of the omelette. Fold top over to help omelette the cheese. To help melt the cheese, and serve immediately. Good. So now let me give you the answer key, but please before that make sure you pause the video and you do the exercise by yourself. It's very easy. You just use the correct words from exercise 1. Good. Now let me give you the correct. So 1, we have break the eggs into the bowl. 2, added cream, salt and garlic powder. 3, mix them with the ingredients. Okay, 4 is pour mixture in the frying pan. Okay, this is the 4 correct words to use in this preparation instructions. So we have 1, break the eggs into the bowl. 2, added cream, salt and garlic powder. 3, mix them with the ingredients. And 4, pour mixture in frying pan. So very good, dear students. And now let's move to exercise B. Okay, let's move to the exercise B. So what information is there in the recipe? What information is there in the recipe? Read and check. So we have just to check the information in the recipe. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. You have to check the sentences that are mentioned in the recipe. So time to make a dish. Is it mentioned? 2, what you need for the dish. 3, where to buy what you need. 4, how to make the dish. 5, when to make the dish. So reread the instructions, or the preparation instructions, and try to check the sentences that are mentioned in this recipe. Again, I will ask you to pause the video and answer and check the mentioned questions. Okay, very good. So let me help you finding the answer. So 1, time to make a dish. Okay, yes, it's mentioned. So you tick this sentence. What you need for the dish? Yes. Okay, you tick. Where to buy what you need? No. Okay, they didn't mention the place where to buy what you need. Okay, how to make the dish? Yes, they mentioned the way how they should make the dish. Okay, they mentioned the way how to make the dish. 5, when to make the dish? No. Okay, they didn't mention when to make the dish. Okay, please make sure to tick sentence 1, 2, and 3. Good. So now let's directly go to speaking. Tell the class how to make a Mexican omelette. Okay, take the class how to make a Mexican omelette. Okay, so you just you know the ingredients now. So 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cream, a bunch of salt, bunch of garlic powder, 200 grams cheddar cheese, 100 gram tomatoes chopped, and 1 tablespoons of oil. Okay, the recipe is very easy, simple, and clear. So you can tell the classroom how to make a Mexican omelette. How to make a Mexican omelette. And now let's go directly to writing. Think of a dish you can make. Write the recipe for it for an international school magazine. So, as they tell you, think of a dish you can make. Okay, an omelette, a pancake, a cupcake, a chocolate cake, cheesecake, tacos, something which is a special pizza, fish pizza or chicken pizza or cheese pizza, etc. Traditional dish or a modern dish. Okay, a fruit salad, etc. Try to think of a dish that you can make. Then what you are going to do, write the recipe. Okay, write the recipe for it. So the recipe is the ingredients. Okay, this is what we call a recipe. So you are given us, or you should given us the recipe. For example, for a fruit salad, you say an apple, a banana, an orange, one okay, you can say one mango, one kiwi, etc. Okay, you are just giving us a recipe. Good. Then okay, you are write it for what? You are going to write it for an international school magazine. Okay, so you are writing it for an international school magazine. So please, dear students, I hope you are doing the exercise. You can exchange your recipes with your friends in the classroom. And now I guess we are finishing our lesson for today. Thank you so much for your attention, and thank you for following your lessons. And see you next time, inshallah. Before that, I give you what a suggestion answer key. Okay, for how to make. Okay, how to make what? A Mexican omelette. Okay, recipe. Read it. And now I guess you are having a homework. Okay, page 115. Okay, page 115, exercise 8. You have an homework 115, exercise 8. Thank you so much for your attention and see you next week with a new lesson. Goodbye.